Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Crack J in English, the channel of Unacademy. And here's my profile. So I'm Jeetendra Dixit. I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur and I have been mentoring IIT-JEE aspirants for last 11 years. We are doing functions and today I'll continue that. Just a moment, let me check my voice. Hello. Okay, so before starting, let me tell you about the Unacademy subscription. As you know, Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform, and if you are preparing for IIT-JEE, then you can subscribe for Plus as well as Iconic subscription. Okay, so in Plus subscription you get unlimited access. Hello Anand. So unlimited access, you can watch daily live classes of all the educators who are teaching on Unacademy. You can appear for live tests and quizzes. Everything will be accessible to you once you have a Plus subscription. So this is unlimited subscription you'll get once you subscribe for Plus. These are the subscription charges. You can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6, 12 and 24 months. 12 months subscription charges 38,500 and 24 months it is 56,000. All right. You get 10% discount also. Use this referral code JEET1 and these will be your final price 34,650 and 50,400. This is yes English channel Anand Raj. Where are you from? The second is Iconic subscription. In this subscription you get a personal coach apart from all the benefits of Plus. So whatever I told you about Plus, you get all the benefits of that subscription, and apart from that you get a personal coach who will guide you throughout your preparation for IIT-JEE. Hello Raghav. No. A subscription is like when you get the subscription, then it will be Hindi courses also and English courses also. So you can follow any course according to your uh, choice. Okay. In Plus subscription, you get everything. I mean, courses going on in many languages. All right. There's no bifurcation of English Plus or Hindi Plus. All the courses are in one category only. Plus subscription. In Iconic subscription, you get so as I told you, Plus personal coach and personalized guidance. Feedback will be given to you for your time management and exam approach. Your study planner will be customized. Okay, and these are the subscription charges for Iconic: 56,000 for 1 year and 86,000 for 2 years, and of course you'll get 10% discount in this also. This is the Unacademy's learning app which you can download from Play Store, and even if you don't have any subscription, you can start attending special classes. Okay, special classes. Hi Raghav. So let's continue area under the curve. I've already taken one session on area under the curve. So today we'll continue that second session. We'll practice some more problems today, okay? Okay, I'm starting with this easy problem, but it has one important point. Find the area bounded by y plus x is equal to 2 and y is equal to x square and x-axis, right? Let's try this. So start drag off. Just a moment. I'll make the diagram. This is y is equal to x square. This is x plus y is equal to 2 line. Oh, sorry. And next is x-axis. So which area do you want? Are you able to figure it out? Area bounded by these three: white color, yellow color and green color curve. So can you see the boundary? So area, you can see this is area number 1, this is area number 2. So which one you need, 1 or 2? Tell me, Raghav, which one you need, 1 or 2? You can see two bounded areas. Five by 6. Oh, you got the answer also. Yeah, that's the right answer. Very nice. So basically, very good. Yes, 2. Very true. So this is the area bounded by all three. Okay, so this we need. For this, we need this point. First of all, ये वाला point निकालेंगे. This point we'll find, and up to this point we'll integrate this yellow curve, and after that green line, right? Which is a triangle, right? This point is 2, 0. We already know this point is 0, 0. So we'll solve this curve. Y is equal to 2 minus x square. So we'll get this x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And we can see it is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 1, right? So we'll get x is equal to 1, positive point of intersection. This is x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to minus 2, right? So we need 1. So now required area is this 0 to 1. We need to integrate this parabola x square dx and plus area of this triangle. So this triangle is length is 1 and height is also 1. This height is also 1. You can put in the curve. This point is 1, 1. So height into base by 2, area of the triangle. And this is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So this is 5 by 6. Right. Good. Good start. Now let's do another question. Now area enclosed by the curve y is equal to ln of x plus e, and x is equal to ln of 1 upon y, and the x-axis. So this is the area now we need to find. Try plotting these curves. You doing it? Meanwhile, let me start plotting the curve. So if I start, y is equal to x plus e, okay. Okay, keep trying. I'm also plotting the curve first. This is a y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Y is equal to, we can write 1 upon y is equal to e raised to x, so y is equal to e raised to minus x, okay? So this is same as y is equal to e raised to minus x. So if I start with this curve, y is equal to e raised to minus x, second curve, it is like this. This is first curve, this is second curve. So this is second curve, okay? Now I'll plot the first one. First one is ln of x plus e, so it will be shifted curve by e units. This is x is equal to minus e line. So it will be like this. At e minus 1, somewhere here it will be 0. And at x is equal to 0, it is 1, and x is equal to, yeah, they will meet each other at this point. This point, 0. They will cross each other at this point. This x is equal to 0. This point is what? E minus 1, 1 minus e, 1 minus e, 1 minus e, this point. So now you can see the area bounded by these curves is this portion, this area, this area. This is the bounded area, okay? This yellow graph will touch the x-axis at infinity, okay? So it's a closed one. You consider this closed. Are you getting any answer? So that means we need to integrate this curve ln of x plus e we need to integrate this green curve from 1 minus e to 0 dx, and after that we need to integrate this curve, yellow curve, this part. This is from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x dx. That's it. So integration of ln x we get from by parts, integration by parts. So we'll apply integration by parts. Okay. So first ln of x plus e into integration of second. 2 will touch the x-axis at infinity. So ln of x plus e into x, this 1 minus e to 0, and minus integral of integration of first, that is 1 into करके हम integrate कर रहे हैं इसमें, and differentiation of second. So differentiation of second, so what, x plus e, differentiation of ln. Okay, so dx, this is 1 minus e to 0. इसको फर्दर इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए प्लस ई माइनस ई कर लेंगे. अच्छा, ये लिमिट आएगी 0. अपर लिमिट इज ऑल्सो 0 एंड लोअर लिमिट इज ऑल्सो 0. अपर लिमिट बिकॉज ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड लोअर लिमिट 1 माइनस ई पुट करेंगे. सो ln ऑफ 1 एंड दैट विल बिकम 0 माइनस, अच्छा, प्लस ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स विद माइनस साइन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. ओके, नाउ यू सी what Raghav, this question again means what? What do you want? Do you want me to explain this again? Which part do you want me to explain again? Write clearly. Okay, meanwhile I'm finding the answer. So if I divide, it is going to be 1 and 1, integral 1 minus e to 0 1 dx, and plus integral 1 minus e to 0, it is e upon x plus e dx, and plus, if I put the limits infinity, then it is going to be 0, and minus 1, so it is going to be 1. Okay, I'll explain it. Let me finish it. So this is 0, x आएगा, x का इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो 0 minus 1 minus e plus integration of this is ln of x plus e from 0 to 1 minus e to 0 and plus 1. Now finally I can write this is if I take minus inside, then this is going to be 1 minus e plus, इसका लिमिट निकालेंगे तो इसमें 0 डालेंगे, तो 0 डालेंगे तो we'll get ln e is 1, so we'll get e, and 1 minus e डालेंगे तो आएगा 0, ln 1 0 and plus 1. So e and e will get cancelled and area is coming out to 2 square units. Okay, 2 square units. Let me check the answer. Since we have done some mistake, let me check. Answer is given e. Let's check the calculation. Okay, पहले देखो मैं समझा देता हूँ, then we will do together. First, I have drawn this graph. ये समझ आ गया था? Tell me stepwise. Okay, y is equal to e raised to minus x. Have you got this? Y is equal to e raised to minus x. This yellow curve, it will meet the x-axis at infinity. Infinity means virtually it will touch. And then y is equal to ln x plus p. So ln x का ग्राफ ऐसे होता है. When you do ln of x plus a, तो ग्राफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा e units पीछे की साइड में. The point which was 1, now that point will be 1 minus e. Okay, so this point will be 1 minus e. Is that okay? ग्राफ में कहाँ दिक्कत है? देखो, ln x का ग्राफ तो you know ना, ln x का ग्राफ is like this, and ln of x plus e करेंगे, ln of x plus e, so it will be shifted by e units, okay, towards left. So this point is 1 minus e now. You can put x plus e is equal to 1, so you get x is equal to, see, this point was 1, now this point will be x plus e is equal to 1, so it is 1 minus e. Okay, ये तो graph is perfect. Okay, graph is perfect. We have done some error in integration, so that means we need to integrate this curve and x-axis बोला था. So third curve is x-axis. Okay, so this is the area bounded. Now we need to integrate this curve, which is ln of 1x plus e from 1 minus e to 0, and then 0 to infinity we need to integrate this curve, which is e raised to minus x. Okay, e raised to minus x. Okay, see, this is e raised to x, this is e raised to x. This is a very basic graph you need to remember. If you replace x by minus x, then graph reflects about y-axis. It's a mirror image of e raised to x about y-axis. Understood? Have you got it? हाँ, चलो इंटीग्रेशन चेक कर लेते हैं. So integration of 1 is x, and integration of ln x plus ln x plus e as it is first into integration of second. So if I put 0, it is going to be 0. If I put 1 minus e, it is going to be 0. So that is perfect. Minus integral of 1 minus e to 0 and 1x plus x, and differentiation of x plus e is 1 upon x plus e. That is perfect. And plus e minus e. Then we have divided by this, so we'll get minus of this. Okay, that is also perfect. Then it get plus of e upon 1 plus x. Okay, that is also good. And 1 minus e to 0, and integral of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x, 0 to infinity. That is all right. Now इसमें infinity डाला था तो we have got 0, इसमें 0 डाला तो we have got 1, so that is all right. Now 0 minus 1 minus e, so it is going to be minus 1 plus e. X 0 and then minus e. This area, this part is okay, 1 minus e. Now this is 1 minus e to 0. So 1 minus e to 0, if I integrate, it is going to be ln of x plus e again. Okay, e times of integral of this. And if I put 0, then it is going to be 1. Okay, and if I put 1 minus e, it is going to be 0. So that is okay, that is all right. And plus 1, so I'm getting 2. 2 is the right answer. What is the problem? Okay, I'm doing this integration once again. 1 minus e to 0 ln of x plus e. Let's see what's the answer of this. So first into integral of second. So first is 1 minus e to 0 minus integral of differentiation of 1, this is 1x plus e, into integral of x, that integral of 1, that is x dx, x dx. Then we'll do plus e and minus e. 1 minus e to 0. If I put 0 in this, it is going to be 0. If I put 1 minus e, that is also going to be 0. So I'll get this minus integral 1 minus e to 0. This is 1 dx if I divide, and plus e times of 1 minus e to 0. It is 1 upon x plus e dx. Okay. Now I'll get 1 minus, if I put 1 minus e, it is going to be 0. Okay. So I'll get this 1 minus e plus e. So it is going to be 1. Okay, so answer is perfect. 2 is the correct answer. I'm getting it right. 2 is the answer. By parts wala check again. What do you mean by parts wala check again? Y parts. सही है by parts wala. First into integral of second and minus differentiation of first integral. बिल्कुल सही है. There's no problem. I've checked it twice. It's coming out to me. It's all right. It's all right. No problem. Who is the answer? Even you can try it again. Okay. You can try it again. No problem. Okay. Now find the area bounded by the polynomial. Now try this. Y is equal to x square minus mod of x square minus 1 plus, oh, it's a very good question, 2 mod of x minus 1 mod again, wow, plus 2 mod of x minus 7 and the x-axis. Try this one. Hi Parshva. Hey, are you trying it? Raghav, are you trying this? So I can see the critical points. X is equal to 0 is a critical point and x is equal to plus minus 1 are the critical points, okay? So you'll have to make 3 cases. Oh, you have got the answer, 12. Let me check. No, answer is not 12. It is 44/3. Okay, let's simplify the curve first of all. So when x is more than 1, case 1, when x is more than 1, you can see this is a positive number, this is a positive number, this is a positive number. So I'll get y is equal to x square minus 1 plus 2 times of mod of x minus 1, which further we can write x minus 1 because x minus 1 is positive, plus 2. So you can remove mod from this also, 2x minus 7. Okay, so I'm removing mod from this also. Okay, so finally what am I going to get? Let's see. This x square and x square will get cancelled. I'm going to get 2x plus 2x, so 4x. Again, let's check the constant. So minus 2 minus 7, so minus 9, and plus 1, so it is minus 8. So I'm getting this line 4x minus 8 after 1. So this curve is a line basically. Now now second case, when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Okay, no, 0 to 1, sorry, 0 to 1, because 0 is the next critical point. So now it is going to be y is equal to x square minus, now this x square minus 1 will be negative, so 1 minus x square will come out. Okay, now this mod of x is still positive, so it is going to be 2 times of mod of x minus 1 now, which is going to be 1 minus x now, plus this is 2x minus 7. So if I remove the mod from this part, then it is going to be, okay, first of all let's remove the mod. I'm removing the mod from this part, and I'll have to put minus sign, okay, because x minus 1 is negative, so it is minus x plus 1. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Now this 2x and 2x will get cancelled, and I'll get this 2x square, and बीच में आएगा ये minus 1, and आएगा यहाँ से plus 2, and आएगा यहाँ से minus 7. So it is going to be 2x square. This is finally minus 6. Yeah, 2x square minus 6. Now third case is when x belongs to minus 1 to 0. 4 cases बनाने पड़ेंगे because 3 critical points है. So minus 1 to 0, this is still negative, but this is also negative now, and this is also negative now, right? So I'll get this y is equal to x square minus this part will remain same, plus now this part will change, so it is going to be minus mod of minus x minus 1. Okay, and minus x minus 1 plus 2 times of minus x minus 7. So now finally mod के अंदर minus we can finish, so it will become x plus 1, but minus 1 to 0, x plus 1 is a positive quantity, so mod you can remove. Okay, so now this is going to be x 2x square minus 1 plus this is going to be 2 times of x plus 1, because x plus 1 is positive in this interval, and this is minus 2x. Okay, so and minus 7, so still you can cancel minus 2x, and it's going to be plus 2 minus 7 plus 2 minus 7. Oh, there's no change. Let me see why there's no change. There's no change. So same curve. It should be the same curve actually. Why? Because this is an even function. Yeah, so we don't need to plot this, we only need to plot. Let's remove this. We are just wasting time. Why? Because it's an even function, so only 0 to infinity we can plot and then take the mirror image. Okay, now let's see the graph. It's an even function. Have you understood this part? It's an even function, that's why we will plot only half of the graph. So we have got this line and this parabola, that's why we are getting the same parabola. So this 2x square minus 6, it's a parabola whose vertex is at 0. So this will be the graph, and we're up to 1. So at 1 its value is going to be minus 4. So it is like this. This is 1. After that we need to plot this line which is of positive slope, and you can see at 1 this is also minus 4. Okay, this value is minus 4, this is minus 6. Then after that you need to plot this line. So I can plot this line like this straight line. Okay, same graph will be like here also, this and this parabola. So now we can see we need to find the area bounded by this. So this area we need, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to plot, we are going to integrate this parabola and this line, right? Line mein to we can find area by area of this triangle, okay? So area of this triangle mein, this point is 1, and what is this point, by the way? This point is 2. So this length is 2 units. Yeah, this length is 2 units and height is 4 units. So area of the triangle, so we can write, and let's integrate. So I'm writing the area integration from 0 to 1. We need to integrate 0 minus this parabola, because you can see x-axis, y is equal to 0 line is above and y is equal to, what is the equation of parabola? 2x square minus 6 is below. So 0 minus 2x square minus 6, this will give us positive area, plus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, I hope you are understanding. This is the triangle we need. This is the triangle which is formed here. This is the triangle, okay? You can see that. Height is 4, base is 2. So height into base by 2. So that is going to be 2 into 4 by 2. So now let's integrate it. So it is going to be 6x minus 2x cubed by 3 from 0 to 1 plus this is 4. So now it is going to be 6 minus 2 by 3, that's it, plus 4. If I take LCM, this is 10, 30. How much are we getting? This is half of the area, right? We need to double this. We need to double it. But before we double, let me check the calculation. We are getting one mistake I have done. That is this length. This length is actually 1 unit. Length of the base of the triangle is 1 unit. This length is 1 unit. Why? Because this point is 1 and this point is 2. So this will be 2. Yeah, that was the correction. This is 1 and this will be now 2. This is 1 and this will be now 2. So now it is going to be 2, and if I take LCM, then it is 8 into 3, 24 minus 2, 22 by 3. Yeah, perfect. Answer was 44 by 3. So total area is this part as well as right side wala part. That is twice of A. So it is 44 by 3. That is the answer. Okay, so a lot of manipulations. It was basically how to open mod. That's it. Understood? Got it? Raghav? Okay, you got it, huh? Okay. Then we will plot fx is equal to maximum of x square 1 minus x square and 2x into 1 minus x when x belongs to 0 to 1. So we need to find area by fx, x-axis, and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so 4 curves, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, area bounded by these 4 curves. Try this. Are you trying this? One by three you are getting, huh? Let me plot then. Let me check the answer first. Answer is 17 by 27. Oh, let's check. So we need to plot a lot of curves. First is this, y is equal to x square. I'm plotting all the curves with white color, x square. Then 1 minus x square is basically shifted curve. It's the same parabola, same size. That will shift, vertex will shift at 1 comma 0. Okay, translate, horizontal translation. Okay. Same shape, everything is same. This is 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. Now we have, it's a downward, this 0 and 1. Okay, So third one, let me change the color. Third one is like this downwards. It should go perhaps like this. Vertex. We can check this value. This point is certainly going to be 1 by 2, okay? So symmetric, because these two parabolas are symmetric, x square and 1 minus x square, so they will cut at the midpoint. And vertex of this this curve, third one, which is a downward parabola, is also 1 by 2. So we can check the value of this. 1 by 2 पे इसकी value 1 by 4 है, and इसका value 1 by 2 पे is 1 by 2. So obviously green curve, vertex of green is above these two, okay? Now we need to take maximum of this. So maximum, let me plot with yellow color, okay? So maximum will come from this part. This is the maximum, okay? Then this green one, then again this curve, okay? This is the maximum. Have you got it? Have you got it, this part? Tell me, then we will integrate, okay? Raghav, this yellow portion, are you understanding? Okay. All three curves, do I need to tell you? ठीक है, जब देखो when you need maximum, then you look for the graph which is above everything, okay? So you can see this white portion, this white graph is above all the graphs, right? This is the maximum. Then you can see this graph is above everything, right? Above all the graph. Then you can see this graph is above all the graphs. ऊपर वाला graph pick कर लो. That is called maximum. Do I need to plot everything again? This is x square. This is 1 minus x square, and this is the third one, okay? इनमें जब maximum pick करोगे, तो I'll tell you again. Maximum में सबसे ऊपर वाला लेता है this part, then this part you can see is above all the graphs, then this part. Suppose you need minimum में सबसे नीचे वाले लेता है. So minimum is going to be this part. Then you can see this is the least one. इससे नीचे कोई ग्राफ नहीं होगा. And then you can see this is the minimum, and you can see this is the minimum. So have you got it? This नीचे वाला minimum है और ऊपर वाला maximum है. So I'll plot it again, okay? So I've got like this. This is the graph, then this, and then this. And apart from that, I should remove everything, है ना? इससे पहले मैं इसका इक्वेशन लिख दूं. ये वाला जो है, this is the part of 1 minus x the whole square, okay? Or you can write x minus 1 the whole square. This is the part of x square, right? This is x square वैसे लिखा भी है. And this बीच वाला is the part of 2 into x into 1 minus x, okay? So I have written the equations of all three, and then I can remove this remaining graph which is not our. I am removing remaining graphs. अब सबको हटा देते हैं, सिर्फ अपना काम का ग्राफ रखेंगे, and then we'll see the bounded area, okay? Let me clean this. Okay. So first of all, okay, we need this point is 1 by 2. This point is only known, okay? 1 by 2. ये वाले points अभी निकालने पड़ेंगे. ये वाले points. What are these points? We'll see. And we need to plot x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is this y-axis, and x is equal to 1 line. So x is equal to 1 line is going to be here, and x-axis. So x-axis is this. So this is the area bounded, okay? This is x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 0, and x-axis. Now you need these points, okay? These points, because 3 integrations will be there. You need to integrate. One more thing. This first area of first portion and second portion, they are going to be same. They are going to be same. So let's find this point. ये वाला point कैसे निकालेंगे? Say this point is x2 and this point is x1. To solve x2, you need to solve x square and this curve. Okay, so let's solve them. 2x into 1 minus x is equal to x square. So if you solve it, this is 2x. Okay, x will get cancelled, x cancel kar do. You'll get 2 minus 2x is equal to x. So you'll get 3x is equal to 2 and x is going to be 2 by 3. Okay, so this x2 is 2 by 3. And because they are symmetric, so 2 by 3 मतलब 1 by 2 से कितना आ गए? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 करोगे, so you'll get 1 by 6, right? Like 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, हाँ, so 1 by 6. तो ये 1 by 6 पीछे होगा, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, that is going to be 6 minus 2 divided by 12, 4 by 1 by 3. So x1 is going to be 1 by 3. Okay, are you understanding what am I doing? Symmetry. So I've got 2 by 3, so this point will be equidistant from the midpoint. Vertex से equidistant होगा because of the symmetry. So if this is 2 by 3, then this will be 1 by 3. Okay, ये समझ आया? Right side वाला point. Now I am going to write the area. Okay, ठीक है, area लिख देते हैं अभी. So area लिखेंगे, तो देखो area में सुनील कुमार, which part समझ नहीं आया तुम्हें? So first part is 0 to, हाँ 0 to 1 by, एक काम करते हैं अपना, सिर्फ इतना इंटीग्रेट करेंगे ना. This part we will integrate and this part we will integrate. Okay, और डबल कर देंगे. So I'm integrating from 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 to 2 by 3, or maybe this side, left side also you can integrate. Okay, जो भी चाहो कर लो. So 1 by 2 to 2 by 3, you need to integrate this curve, third वाला, which is 2 को बाहर करते हैं, x minus x square dx, and plus 2 by 3 से you need to integrate 1 this curve is x square. Okay, ये वाला curve which is x square. ठीक है, ऐसे करेंगे और इंटीग्रेट करके लिखेंगे. तो इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, so we'll get x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 एंड आएगा 1 by 2 से लेके 2 by 3. अभी इसको डबल भी करना है, पहले निकाल देते हैं ये. दिस इज हाफ ऑफ द एरिया, a by 2 की वैल्यू है ये. ओके, सो दिस इज x क्यूब by 3, 2 by 3 to 1. चलो पुट कर देते हैं लिमिट्स. सो विल गेट 2 by 3 पुट करेंगे, सो 4 by 9 एंड 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 2 by 9. ओके, 2 by 9 माइनस इसमें पुट करेंगे, सो 2 क्यूब, ओ इट्स अ वेरी बिग वैल्यू. 2 क्यूब इज 8 अपॉन 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81 आएगा टोटल, है ना. एंड माइनस, ओके अभी माइनस भी करना है, कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई. एक काम करते हैं, दिस इज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कैलकुलेशन, सो आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग दी, सॉरी फॉर दिस. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ अभी बता रहा हूँ. रादर इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस हाफ, सेकेंड हाफ, नाउ आई एम इंटीग्रेटिंग द फर्स्ट हाफ. उससे फायदा क्या होगा? सो ये फायदा होगा, आई नीड टू इंटीग्रेट फ्रॉम 0 to 1 by 3. ओके, तो एक लिमिट 0 ही आ जाएगी. एंड नाउ आई नीड टू इंटीग्रेट दिस कर्व x minus 1 the whole square dx प्लस थोड़ी कैलकुलेशन कम होगी. एंड दिस कर्व इज सेम 2x into 1 minus x 1 by 3 to 1 by 2. Okay, this is half of the area. So now this is going to be x minus 1 by 3 by 3 from 0 to half, 0 to 1 by 3. Actually कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ, sorry. And then it is 2x, so x square by, now x square by 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा, right? And x cube by 3, so minus 2x cube by 3. So actually I'm leaving it here because calculation is taking a lot of time. So almost we are done. We have got the concept. Okay, so I think now you can do the calculation. Is that okay, Raghav? And double a by 2 is this. It is taking a lot of calculation. तो इसको यहाँ छोड़ देते हैं ना. There's no point of doing the calculation now. Actually कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, whether you integrate the second half or the first half. It's okay. ठीक है, तो कोई अच्छा और दूसरा क्वेश्चन करते हैं। वेक्टर अलजेब्रा, आई मीन हैव यू फिनिश्ड वेक्टर अलजेब्रा? तो मैं रख लूंगा। कर लिया है क्या? प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। हैव यू डन ऑल द ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग? ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट और वो सब हो गया क्या? इफ यू आर डन विद ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट देन वी कैन, ओके, देन आई कैन कीप, ओके, ठीक है, मैं रख लूंगा। व्हाट हैपेंड सुनील? नेक्स्ट वीक ना? व्हाट हैपेंड सुनील? व्हाई आर यू स्माइलिंग सो मच? बोलो। बस यूं ही, ओहो, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही। Okay, now you need to draw area bounded by this curve only, okay? X square 4 minus x square. Area bounded by this curve only. So that means this curve might have a closed loop in itself. इसके खुद के ग्राफ में ऐसा closed loop होगा, है ना? So you need to find the area of that. Like a circle. The circle is a closed curve. So this curve might be a closed curve. देखो कैसे बनाना है? Area enclosed by this curve itself. Then I'll give you the idea. Okay, you first try it. You first try to draw the graph of this. Then I'll tell you how to do it. See, be careful, it is y square. Okay, so whenever you have y square, then it happens the graph becomes symmetric in symmetric about x-axis. Like if I give you mod of x, do you remember that mod of y is equal to say sine x? Okay, if he asked you to find the area bounded by this curve in some interval, then you know how to plot this. Y is equal to mod of y is equal to sine x. So this right hand side should be a positive function, sine x should be positive. So you draw that sine x, then this part you leave because sine x is negative. Then again in 2 pi to 3 pi sine x is positive. So you'll draw these curves. Then mod of y is equal to sine x means y is equal to plus minus of sine x. So y is equal to this is plus sine x and you'll get this reflection. Y is equal to minus sine x. Okay. So you can see this curve also has closed loop. So he might ask you to find the area of this curve between maybe 0 to pi or maybe between 0 to 3 pi. So you'll get two such closed curves, right? Loops, I mean. Are you understanding it? So this might be this graph y square is equal to x square 4 minus x square will be something like this. I mean, it will have closed loops like this curve. Mod of y is equal to sine x. Let's see. Graph is like infinity sign. Okay. Very good. You're saying graph is like infinity sign. Let's see. So first of all, you need to plot the graph of y is equal to this curve. Okay. If you plot, let me plot it here. So if you plot this polynomial y is equal to x square 4 minus x square, then this is x square 2 minus x 2 plus x, and it has three roots, 2 repeated, 0, 2 and minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2, this is plus 2, negative, positive, negative, positive and negative. It is like this. It is an even function, so symmetric about y-axis. It's also and downward. So it will come from minus infinity, will go up when it will touch the x-axis at 0, will go up and will come down. Okay, like this. Now, because y square is positive, left hand side is positive, So you will take only positive part of this. This must be positive, okay? So you can see which part is positive. You can see in the graph only part between -2 to +2 is positive, right? So this will be the only part which is positive. So first pick this interval, remove the graph which is below x-axis. Now when you'll solve it, you'll get y is equal to plus minus of under root of this. That means positive values and negative. So if you take under root of this curve, which is I have drawn with yellow color, so shape थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होगा, but it will be like this only. Okay, zero वाली value zero ही रहेंगी. Okay, zero का square root zero होता है, and these values will go up or down depending whether they are more than one or less than one. And इनका reflection भी आ जाएगा, right? It will be reflection. Reflection will be about x-axis, okay? Because you will get y is equal to plus of fx and y is equal to minus of fx. जैसे mod लगाने से होता है ना, वैसा square करने से भी होता है, okay? So it is like this. So you are right. It is like infinity sign, okay? This is the curve. So इस curve में this is symmetric in all four quadrants. So even if you find this area, this part which is in first quadrant, it will work, okay? It will work. So you need to find the area of only this part, which is in first quadrant. And what is that part? Equation of this is y is equal to under root of x square 4 minus x square. And इस नीचे वाले part का equation क्या है? Y is equal to minus of under root of x square 4 minus x square. Okay. I hope you are getting it, huh? All right, Sunil. Now see. So required area is 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Integration कहाँ से करेंगे? 0 से लेके this point is 2 and this point is 0. So 0 to 2, this is x under root of 4 minus x square. Okay, और अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें 4 minus x square को t डालेंगे. 4 minus x square is equal to t. So minus 2x dx is equal to dt, right? तो ये x dx की जगह पे हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? इंटीग्रेशन को चेंज कर लेते हैं. So lower limit will be now lower limit is now 0 put करो x को is 4 and upper limit is 0. Okay, and x dx की जगह पे आ जाएगा minus of dt by 2 and this will be under root of, this is, oh I'm sorry, this should be we should put t square but it's all right. अब मैंने t रख दिया तो t कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, no problem, no issues. Then we'll get this 2 से ये 2 cancel हो जाएगा, so minus of 2. And what is the integration of root 2? So integration of root 2 is t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 हो जाएगा and 4 to 0. Okay. Then we will solve it. Tan inverse का नहीं, क्या कह रहे हो tan inverse? Substitution से हो गया ना. Then 0 रखेंगे तो 0 आएगा and minus 4 रखेंगे. So 4 का square root 2 and 2 का cube is 8. So 8 into 2, 16 by 3. Okay. So finally, it is going to be 32 by 3. Okay? That is the answer. 32 by 3. Have you got it? समझ आया? अच्छा, okay. Shall we end? एक और क्वेश्चन कर लें. One more, huh? One last sum. It's an easy problem, okay? Graph is interesting. Y is equal to ln x and y is equal to ln x square. Area bounded by these two curves. Just last question, okay? Try this one. Try plotting the graph. Let's do it fast. So ln x तो हमें पता ही है, ln x is like this, 1 से पास करेगा, this is ln x, and if we square it तो क्या होता है, देखो ये लाइन बना देता हूं मैं, 1 वाली लाइन, ये y is equal to 1 है, ये x is equal to 1 है, this point is E. Okay, so when you square this graph, what will happen? See this, the part which is negative will come up, and square से थोड़ी values भी ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगी, है ना. And mod put करने पे corner आता है, but square करने पे smooth होता है. Although that is not required for us. 1 पे 0 रहेगा, so square इसका 0. 1 से e तक, when ln x is less than 1, when values of ln x are less than 1, उनका स्क्वायर करने से वो और छोटी हो जाएंगी. So this part of the graph which is below y is equal to 1 will come down. Okay, and square of 1 will be 1, so they will meet at this point. Okay, after that graph will go up, because the square of these numbers which are more than 1 will be greater. Have you understood this graph? So can you see, this is the closed area. What a beautiful graph, huh? Got it? Okay, so the answer is A is equal to, simple one, ln x minus ln of x the whole square. Okay, from 1 to e dx. So you need to integrate it. Okay, so if you apply the by parts, see 1 to e ln of x, let's keep it as it is, let's see if it get cancelled, and 1 to e 1 into ln x, वैसे कैंसिल नहीं होगा, तो इसमें बाई पार्ट्स लगा देते हैं, तो इसमें लगाएंगे तो x ln x 1 to e माइनस इंटीग्रल ऑफ x इंटू 1 अपॉन x, राइट, dx 1 to e माइनस, ये तो पहले वाले का इंटीग्रल हो गया, दूसरे वाले का इंटीग्रल 1 to e ln स्क्वायर का बाई पार्ट्स लगाएंगे, सो बाई पार्ट्स लगाएंगे, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी दूसरे वाले में x ln x the whole square 1 to e minus, it is going to be x into 1 upon x into 2 ln x dx. तो ये इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और ये e और 1 डालने से ये वाला पार्ट तो 0 आएगा, ये वाला पार्ट भी 0 आएगा. नो सॉरी नो, हाँ, e डालेंगे तो आएगा e, 1 डालेंगे तो 0 आएगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट ln x का दिस इज 1, सो 1 को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो x आएगा, और x को e माइनस 1. ओके, e माइनस 1, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी 1 ओनली. ओके, ये 1 आएगा, e से ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 1 माइनस, नाउ दिस पार्ट इज गोइंग टू बी, इसमें e डालेंगे तो आएगा e, और 1 डालेंगे तो 0, e माइनस 0, एंड माइनस दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इंटीग्रल ऑफ 2 ln x, और ln x तो अभी हमने किया, ln x का आंसर क्या आया, ये ln x ही तो था 1 to e में, राइट, 1 to e, इसका आंसर 1 आया था, इसको 1 डाल देते हैं, राइट, 1 डाल देंगे, सो विल गेट 1 माइनस ब्रैकेट्स e माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ, ये वाली वैल्यू मिली है हमें 1. ओके, उसी को यूज कर लेते हैं दोबारा, सो फाइनल आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 2 and 2 3 minus e. Got it? All right, now we will end it. Okay, I will begin tomorrow. All right, chalo, thank you very much, take care, bye bye.